Meaning of hungry.
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 Hungry. Hungry is an adjective that describes the physical sensation of needing food or the state of lacking sufficient nourishment. When someone is hungry, they may experience symptoms such as a grumbling stomach, weakness, and difficulty focusing. The feeling of hunger is caused by a decrease in blood sugar levels and triggers the body to seek out food for energy. Failure to address hunger can result in malnutrition and long-term health consequences. It is important to listen to your body's signals and fulfill its nutritional needs in order to maintain overall health and well-being.